Hi everybody! So today we are going to be doing something really fun with science. It's going to be an experiment and it's going to have some type of art in it. So we will be focusing on standard 5 PS13. We are going to be making observations to identify materials based on their properties. So what you will need today is some water, and you want it to be in a clear glass, oil, and food coloring. You can do 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, or even more. It is totally up to you. And you're going to want something that you can stir into the oil. Okay, so maybe in the past you have heard that water and oil don't mix. Today we're going to look into that a little further. So to begin, make sure that you fill the tall glass almost to the top with room temperature water. And we are going to open up our food coloring. And again, it is completely up to you how many you use. I'm going to use all 4 just to make our art a little more colorful. And I'm going to begin by taking my oil and pouring droplets into it. Okay. Grab the next color, and I'm gonna do the droplets away from that color for now. And I'm doing about 4 to 5 droplets. And I'll bring that forward so you can see that they're just hanging in there. And I'm going to take my stir stick. I'm going to gently mix my oil with my food coloring droplets. As I stir, you can see what it is beginning to look like inside the oil. Okay, so I can stop stirring now, and I'm just gonna set this to the side, and we can begin to pour this slowly into our glass of water. And I want you to make observations of what you notice as the oil is dropping into the water. What reactions are you noticing? What do you see? And I'm just gonna shake that in there to get all the food coloring. Stir stick to help it come down a little faster. And let's look at what is happening. It's like water fireworks. Oops. Look at that. So, food coloring dissolves in water, but not in oil. When you pour in your food coloring with the oil mixture, the oil will float at the top of the water because it is less dense. And the food coloring will begin to dissolve once they sink through the oil and into the water to create this beautiful art piece. So we know that food coloring dissolves in water, but not in oil. You can also notice The color diffuses outward as the heavier colored drop falls to the bottom. And again, the oil is just floating at the top. Oil is less dense than water, so it's just going to stay up here. And our food coloring is dissolving on the bottom, making water fireworks. Now, I want you to think. What do you think would happen if we tried to do this without the oil? What would we observe? What can we record? How will the results be different? Or would it be any different if I tried using a larger glass? Less oil? What do you think? What would be different to those changes? All right, so that was our experiment today. I want you to reflect back on your observations and think of those different results that we would get with a few different changes. Remember, you're going to need water, oil, food coloring, and a stir stick. Thank you for watching.